Introduce our speaker today. Having place is Mr. Omkar, who's a digital marketing specialist in at NTF Bangalore, who's having around 12 to 13 years of experience into this. So he'll be taking us through this session. Request to all to please be on mute so that we can have a nice webinar session on the same. And as I believe you might be knowing NTTF, yes, so it's a 60-year-old institution who have been imparting technical education since 1959. And we have been doing a lot of things when it comes to basically for the education side. So we are into IT programs, doing core diplomas, and apart from that, providing corporate training programs and all those things. So this today's webinar session that we are going to focus on is basically for the digital marketing, where you'll come across a lot of things. So what digital marketing scope in today's scenario is there in the market, and how these things can evolve, and how you can also have a bright and good career ahead. So I would request Mr. Omkar Nathwani to please go ahead with the session and take us through the participants for this webinar session. Request Omkar, will you please take us through this session?
Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to NTTF Digital Marketing Webinar. We are a 60 years old organization and our aim is to impart world-class education to everyone, as Mr. Sujit has said right now. So we will start with the webinar by starting with some objective. What is our objective to learn digital marketing? What is our objective to learn other areas of digital marketing, and what other areas are there? We will see everything over here and understand the career opportunities we have, the job scope we have, and other areas where you can grow your life and career in this digital marketing. So digital marketing career opportunities are generally starting from search engine optimization to social media marketing, that is generally known, like social media optimization, search engine optimization, and how social media influence consumers and business buying decisions, the role of paid advertisement, how Google, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn paid advertisement generate lead for businesses. We'll also see how to use untapped resources like Quora and TikTok. What are the role of content creation and what are the rules of engagement in content creation? How to create, monitor, measure, and manage campaigns for both paid and organic marketing. I'll briefly give you description of paid and organic as well. What is the role of data analysis? How to get a rewarding career in digital data analyst. So these are the objective of our today's session. Starting with the digital marketing career opportunities. Digital marketing manager or director is the highest position that generally one would achieve. And in digital marketing, there are certain other areas like search engine optimization. In search engine optimization, you can start with an executive position, be a manager, and become a SEO head of an organization. Search engine optimization is generally the optimization activity that you do in Google search, where we search for different terminologies, where we search for different product or items, and we get the result for organization for different product, and we visit different website. There you can optimize your own business, your own company as well. In social media, you can start with an executive position, then become a manager, and you can manage the entire company's social media bandwidth. You can imagine the role that a social media manager or an executive would be playing for companies like Trivago and other companies who have active presence in social media and social media platforms. PPC or SEM expert. Here you can start with a PPC team member, become a lead, and then grow to become a PPC manager. PPC is pay per click advertisement. Here, when you click on any advertisement, individual click leads to a amount of deduction. Suppose you are clicking on an advertisement in Google or Facebook, there for one single click, you would be paying certain amount of money. So that is PPC, and SEM is social media search engine marketing, which actually includes all type of paid advertisement that you can conduct in search engines like in Google, Bing, and other search engines. We should remember there is more than one search engine. It is not only one search engine, that is Google. Then moving to the content marketer position, you can start with a content writer position, become a content team lead, and become a content strategist in future, leading to changing the path how a organization is working with the content they have currently. Analytics team member is a very good position in current time, from engineering students to non-engineering students to data science students, all can come in this role, and they can work in different leading companies in different analytical positions, and that relates to social media analysis, search engine data, search engine traffic analysis, and many other forms of analysis. In paid advertisement also, analysis is a vital component to optimize and increase the productivity of your advertisement. CRM team member. CRM team member is also a vital role, and you can be a CRM team member to start managing content and lead properly. Email marketing is also one of the main stream through which lead generation is done by many organizations. In email marketing, you can be a normal email marketing executive, email marketing content writer, and also manage vast amount of email marketing. You might be getting emails from Flipkart, Amazon to your email account on a regular basis. That is because you are a subscriber to the platform. So if you are working for a major large company where they have millions of subscribers, managing the subscriber is a big task that is being done meticulously every day. Understanding the analytical data of those users, the behavior of those users, and their email marketing manager's role plays a vital role, because for both Amazon, Flipkart and other platforms, email based sales is in very high number. Then in digital agency, you can work in different account management role. You can manage a client. You can either manage a different activity of a particular project and be an account director as well in the future. In social media marketing, here we will see the need of it and an overview of social media marketing. Social media marketing generally we can understand with the usage of Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and other platforms which are present in social media. These are some known and well-known, renowned platforms. So in social media, we start with creating an audience persona. What is an audience persona? Audience persona is creating different type of segment of people on the basis of their need, on the basis of their choice, and on the basis of their age, gender, or other features. This help an organization to target them with different set of products. And audience persona, if created correctly for any organization, the sales and the lead generation increases 3 times. It has been found by many researchers. Then after audience persona, we move to brand recognition. Social media is a great place where you can create a good and a vibrant brand presence for any organization and even an individual as well. You will find many individuals work as a CEO of a company, regularly conduct webinar and many public connecting messages they will post in social media. So organizations can reach out to their their own customers or even more number of customers through these social brand recognition methodologies. Generate a conversion around your brand. When you generate recognition, you will gradually move towards generating leads, and gradually you will acquire customers. People will buy your product. When anyone buys your product, it becomes one conversion for you as a customer who comes to your own company, and then it becomes a task for you to keep him involved through these social media platforms, informing about your upcoming products, existing products, and other achievements. Learn how to connect with your audience through social listening. Social listening is also a method through which you where we regularly update the social media audience about the different existing activities and future activities. Tell your brand story. Every company have their own story. Every individual also have their own story. We can accumulate many stories and we can bring those stories to the audience of our social media platform. These stories inspire them to join our company and buy the product of our company, and these stories can also take our brand to miles ahead than what we are doing currently. Gather data from audience research to improve reach. Audience research, as I already told you, the audience persona is related to audience research. When you build segment of different segments of audience like student, adult, parent group, or by age or by choice, then you can target these audience research by paid advertisement inside the social media platforms. Connect in time and maintain happy customers. Happy customers are always main source of your marketing. Don't expect them to buy from you, but expect them to talk for you. A happy customer can bring hundreds of customers for you. So we should try to get more happy customers by connecting our customers with positive notes. And in this thing, social media is a great way through which we can connect to many people. Build customer loyalty. Happy customers would always be loyal to you. Follow Nike and many other companies who have many loyal customers like Apple. Even if the product cost is high, people buy their product. And this is the place, this is the way, and this is the methodology we should also be using for our company and the places or organizations you people will for in future join as a digital marketer to create brand loyalty for that organization. That increases steady customer number. Direct referral traffic is one another feature. When you have a lot of audience in your social media, people will ultimately visit your website, and that is called direct referral traffic. Social media can assist with link building as well. This is correct. In certain like Tumblr and other such social media platforms where you can post content, they help you with link building as well. This help in your search optimization activity. Establish your brand as an authority. As I told you, the brand loyalty which you build through social media platform ultimately establishes your brand as an authority brand and decreases your competition in terms of the other players are there. Search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is an activity where an user involves or interacts with a search engine like Google, Bing, and other search engines. In those search engines, what we generally do, we type one keyword and we drive, we use different search engines. What we do in search engines, we type different keywords and then search engine provide us different result of what we are searching. The product that we are searching in different search engine through different keyword is a methodology where we can work as a search engine optimizer to increase the traffic to our website, visibility of our website. Primary source of website traffic is organic traffic, and you can use only SEO to increase your organic traffic. SEO builds trust and credibility. Good SEO also means a better user experience. If you have optimization in hundreds and hundreds of keywords, any customer will always like to visit your website first because they will find always in many keywords for your website's different pages. So as a search optimizer, you have a great task of not only creating a brand, taking a brand to the buyer, but also creating a brand awareness where people can see you in many places. Local SEO means increased engagement, traffic, and conversion. Local SEO is a methodology where we see different brands map listing in Google Map. There we can find different companies' address and we can even travel to that destination by using different travel methodologies. So local listing is very important and we can even optimize these local listings using search optimization methodologies. They are also an included part of this search optimization training. SEO is always changing, so you will be always in need if you know it well. As the market is changing, you can see companies are facing many problems. SEO is a vital method with which you can get or increase your employability options. Even in today's COVID time, you can see the people who are being hired are search optimizers, and other hiring have come down, although our search optimization hiring have not stopped by many companies. Understanding SEO help you understand the environment of the web. We have to understand SEO dominate the web. And why SEO dominate the web? Because 65% traffic in web comes only through Google search engine. So if 65% traffic comes only through Google search engine, your dominant presence in that search engine will obviously help you understand the environment of the web, what you need to do, what your customers or what your competitors are doing. SEO is relatively cheap and productive. If you are doing a paid advertisement, then obviously your cost would be on a pay per click basis. But for search optimization, you don't need to pay for every click. It is organic. If you rank your website in different keywords, you will be only working to maintain the rank. SEO brings new opportunities. As I am talking about different areas of digital marketing, here you can see the different keyword research, ranking, feedback generation, software development, all connects to one particular thing that is called SEO. And obviously, any company's strategy of growth is directly related to search optimization. SEO is highly analytical, and you can track and analyze everything that you need to grow a business. SEO brings new opportunities. If you are not on first page, you are not winning the business or you are not winning the click. So first task of any search optimizer is to bring the business to first page of Google search. Be the person to bring a business to the first page. Join a company, make them happy by bringing them in their target keywords. Learn that methodology with us from NTTF. How social media influence customers or consumers. Growth of many website and communication platforms led to the creation of online communities to exchange the following, taking a business to a stage where they start influencing customers' decisions. And they are information, ideas, messages, sharing of image or video content, sharing of stories, sharing of solutions, building question and answer thread, using open platform for business support, and direct communication with user, leading faster and better solution. Here, question and answer thread I will be discussing further with the section where I'll discuss a little bit on Quora. Quora is a platform where we all might be interacting on a regular basis. There you can find questions. You can yourself also progress, post your questions and ask for different answer. In today's time, looking for answers on different questions help us to gain better understanding about a product, and then we go ahead to buy a product. Suppose we are buying a mobile phone. We first try to see the review of the mobile phone. We try to find what other users are talking on that mobile phone. So we visit many places where questions are available. Quora is another place where questions are available. And you can even post your own question. How is this mobile phone? Should I buy this mobile phone? Then people will interact on that question. This is a great method by which you can interact with others. People can interact with you, and a brand can generate more awareness about their product by posting questions or interacting with different questions. Role of paid advertisement and its benefit. Paid advertisement drive immediate results. Paid advertisement drives immediate results. It gives you the first look. When you search something in search engine, you will find paid advertisement at the top of it. So it is a common concept when you pay in search engine to boost your website's different product, people will first click on the paid results, and that will automatically drive more traffic towards your website. Even in social media like Facebook, Twitter, and other platforms, you get to see advertisement. In LinkedIn and Facebook, it is very common. And we generally tend to click on these advertisements to see what they are selling, what they are showing to us. So that is the reason paid advertisement drives immediate result. It gives you the first look. As it comes first, it gives you the first look of the product. It pulls in quality traffic, as a lot of ads can bring a lot of traffic to your website. It brings not only traffic, it brings a quality traffic, as it connects to the related customer and it connects to people who want to buy that product. All the platform, when they deliver the advertisement, run an algorithm behind their servers which try to understand the people who are looking into the advertisement. Suppose I am a search optimizer and I'm looking into Twitter, LinkedIn, or Facebook. I will generally see the advertisement of product which are related to my area of work. For you also, it is the same. If you keep on searching for, suppose, a watch or to buy a bag in Google search for some time, then go to Facebook or LinkedIn and try to work or navigate into Facebook for some time, you will gradually start seeing the watch advertisement or the bag advertisements are coming. In YouTube, you start watching a video, you'll start getting options to see the bags or the watches below the video. So that's the reason we can dramatically boost our website traffic. PPC traffic is more likely to convert. It increases revenue, sales, and leads, and it is highly measurable. We can measure from which region the customer is coming, what they want to buy, and how they are interacting with our pages. We can even analyze how what they does after coming to our website, whether they stay in the same URL or same page, or they moves to some other page. If they are moving, what is the reason why they are moving to some other page? Even we can create a user flow journey. So if user lands to your website from an advertisement, they move to some 4 or 5 other pages, then you can create a journey for a user, and like that you can create same journey for many users inside Google Analytics account. Using different analytical tool also, you can create that journey, and that journey can help any organization boosting their advertisement revenue, in boosting their growth in future. Even these understanding can reduce the expenditure of an organization. You can increase the quality score of advertisement and reduce the per click cost. It is not dependent on SEO or Google algorithm changes. Google keep on changing its algorithm from time to time. Why they does that? They does that because they does that to maintain their own superiority. If they don't keep on changing, Google search optimizers will actually crowd the Google search with their own result. Because they keep on changing, we cannot manipulate Google search result according to our own requirement. We have to work to gain better result in Google search and other search engine. And that type of change is not actually don't affect the paid advertisement segment. Paid advertisement is not affected by algorithmic changes because they are run in a different way. They are given to direct customer through direct keywords or different other understanding of customer behavior. Paid advertisement help you build your SEO as well. Suppose you are getting a lot of traffic from your advertisement from Google search to your website. That also can help you increase your search engine ranking, because more number of click from Google to your website help Google understand that your website is an authority website and you should be ranking in many other keywords where you are currently not ranking. It helps your customer make informed decisions, because suppose you are finding for a helmet or a bike or a car, you get to see suppose for a car more number of ads from Honda or some other company. If you constantly get an advertisement blast from a particular company for most of your searches in Google or YouTube or other platforms, you will generally be tended to buy that product. How to use Google, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn paid advertisement. These are certain paid advertisements run by some companies, as you can see here. These advertisements provide you a perspective or understanding what you can sell in different product, different website. As you can see in Instagram, the type of advertisement, the size of advertisement is different. While in LinkedIn, it is of a different size and the type of advertisement is also different. So for different platforms, we need to create image, video, and content according to the need of the social media site, not according to our need only. Develop brand loyalty with connected creativity. If you always connect to these social media sites with correct message, you will automatically develop brand loyalty. Use specified format and size of images. If you give an advertisement to LinkedIn, in LinkedIn, and you want to use the same image in Instagram, that image will not work. For Instagram, you will again have to create some other format of image. So these type of image size format we need to maintain for different social media sites. How to use untapped resources like Quora and TikTok. I've already spoken about Quora, as you also might be interacting with Quora on a day-to-day basis and with TikTok as well. So for Quora, it is one of the most favorite content platform which you can use by creating answers on different questions. Keep a perspective to help others, then only benefit you. Because if you help others by providing genuine answer, then only people will read you and come to your website. TikTok is a short video platform mostly used through a mobile application called TikTok. Here people gain popularity by sharing short videos on many type of content. Use TikTok for promoting business with influencers or use paid advertisements. You will find many influencers in TikTok who have millions of followers. You can engage them with your brand's product if their content relates to your brand, and you can reach to many number of people through their own brand popularity. You can also build a video marketing strategy in such a way that it complement both YouTube and TikTok. In YouTube, generally you will find videos which are of longer duration, more than 3 to 5 minute duration. So those videos are not applicable for TikTok. So when you are building a content, you can create the content in two ways. One video is for YouTube and one video is for TikTok. For TikTok, you will be having a smaller duration video. For YouTube, you will be having a longer duration video. And these content will ultimately take you to larger number of audiences. These content will ultimately take your product to more number of buyers, because different platforms will have different type of buyers and different type of users with them. YouTube would be used by more educational or long duration video watcher, and TikTok would be used by short duration video watcher. So if you are creating one content for both platform, you are reaching to more number of people. Why monitor, measure, and manage campaigns? Monitoring advertisements and campaigns improve the scope to make them better. Measuring will give you quantitative data where you need to take what step you should take. Management of any campaign help you keep it optimized and help it perform better. Proper management can also reduce expenditure of the organization. While in the reduced expenditure also, you can bring more people to your organization. You can take your product in a better way to other people. It doesn't mean that you always need to spend a lot of money to bring a lot of people. It means better quantitative analysis and better management of the advertisement campaigns. What is the role of data analysis? Data analysis is a vital component in today's world. Data is the most important and costly currency in today's world, because it helps you improve your business return. Data also help you understand where your competitor is doing better and what you need to do to improve it. data make you more powerful by giving deeper customer information about their likes and choices, giving you more power to target them better. Suppose we are dealing with a product which relates to awareness, interest, which relates to education, and there we need to check awareness, interest, and then we need to evaluate and then try what we can do for those targeting those people. We can create a video, we can create an image, we can create a paid advertisement, or we can reach out to those customers through email as well. Then we will adopt a mechanism through which we can bring sales for the organization, and gradually we will build the loyalty. Here you can use your analytical understanding that you can get from different social media or search engine analysis tools. Content creation and rules of engagement. Create content that appeal the reader to read. Don't just write any content that you like. Write a content that someone else would like. Create content that appeal a watcher to watch. Would you watch a video that is not appealing? You will not watch that video. So create videos, images that will attract others to watch that. Create content that is everlasting. Suppose you are writing a content on a historical issue or your company's growth story. It would always be a everlasting content. Make that content so complete that people will always like to read that even after 100 years, because that story will always be there. Stories cannot be changed. Be an innovative person with clear understanding of what you need to create, because as a content creator or as a creative person, you should be very clear with what you are doing. If you are not clear, then your mind can become puzzled. You can get a lot of ideas these days from different sources, and if you are not clear what you are doing, then you cannot create the optimum content that can bring more number of people to your organization. Here we will see one video that is being used by a very known, good and well-known company who help you create content called Canva. You would have seen the video where they created content for different platforms, and there was a touch of affection and touch of connection. You should create content with a touch of affection and a touch of connection. Social media advertisements. Not every type of ad will work for your brand. However, one of the best techniques to follow when creating paid content is to seamlessly blend into feeds, walls, and timelines. If you have hundreds and thousands of followers, you can always connect your customers to your wall by posting a good content, interactive content, not always the sales content. A great example of this is with TD Ameritrades promoted advertisements on Twitter. You can go to their Twitter page and you can see how their contents bring a lot of followers, a lot of more likes to their content. Create content that attract a user. If your product don't attract, use stock images or videos. You will easily find stock images and videos these days from many platforms, many websites. Blend your advertisement with the social platform. Don't just create content. You have to blend it. For Instagram, you need to create a type of advertisement. For Facebook, you need to create a type of advertisement that are different. According to our third quarter 2016 index result, 46% users will unfollow a brand posting promotional messages too frequently, and this has increased in 2020 far more. If you always post a promotional content, ask your users to buy your product, they will most likely unsubscribe you. Lenovo uses video ads in Facebook to blend well, keeping separate content to pull videos. Research on ad formats for each platform and every size, text, image, video format, as well including the context. You have to research on this. see others' content, see your competitor, use different analytical tools to understand what ad format is best for you, what text is best for you, what image is best for you. Use different stock videos, different other ways to see different other content. There are platforms which can show you your competitors' advertisements. All these will help you, give you an understanding what content will be best for you. Now let's see one social media advertisement. So here you have seen the content is using some stock content. These videos are readily available in many places which you can use to create your content as well. Like these places, these people have created. Social media advertisement is about informing your buyer about the product and spread awareness from different age and range. As you can see here, the awareness starts, then people consider the product, and then the transaction happen when the people buy. Here also we go through one more cycle that is called prospecting, retention, and conversion. First you have to create a prospect who want to buy what, then retain those people in that particular prospect. And sometime what might happen, people may change the interest or the like also. So that also you have to keep monitoring. Then they will be retained on a particular segment. So for suppose a person who is more interested on fashion product, you can send them mailers for fashion product. Who is more interested on reading books, you can send them mail for books and other things. Build relevant ad that connect better with individual need. Avoid spammy and repetitive advertisement. Send a unique sales push to an audience group and stop providing sales content after that for some time. Maintain 80% non-marketing and 20% marketing content ratio. Hashtag you would have seen a lot in these days in Google search or in social media. Wherever you go, you type a hashtag, you will find a lot of related content. People even these days brand hashtag. You can see different news channel asking us to follow this brand hashtag, follow that hashtag. Why? Because hashtag is a method with which you also connect to different users. You bring users to your company, your organization. There the role of the brand hashtag. Suppose for a known company, the brand hashtag is a very important thing. Whenever you are posting, keep that brand hashtag. People would be automatically connected to that and come to your page. Trending hashtag you can get from websites like hashtagify.me and many other websites where you can take that most trending hashtag and use that in your post. Chat hashtag is a method with which also you can connect to many more people through different chat engine. Content reflecting hashtags. Call to action hashtag. Call to action hashtag is what? Suppose there is a call to action, means you want somebody to click on, give your detail, click to give your detail, click to subscribe. These type of call to action or CTA buttons are there in your website. You want more people to connect to that. For that also you have to research for what, through which hashtag people will come to your website and give you the information or data you require. Trending hashtags. Here you can see a ISRO post is there when ISRO created history by launching its heaviest rocket, and there also you can see people ISRO have used their own brand hashtag, and with that GSLV MK3 hashtag was used. And here you can see Indians government jobs have used that ISRO hashtag and Indian space hashtag. But this government jobs post update is not a page or something, or neither India Times. Is something that is owned by ISRO. They are independent separate organization, but they are connecting to the brand by using the brand hashtag and other related most popular hashtag. Chat hashtag, here you can see the chat hashtags in different comments. The people have used different hashtags, and that work very nice to take the comment to many other people. And here you can see the call to action. We are asking here to go and provide customer feedback or maybe their lead or any other thing. Here we have used a call to action related hashtag. Now we will talk about dark social. How many of you know about dark social? Dark social is one of the most important thing which help different companies to grow their user base and different other people to connect but stay anonymous. One of the most known dark social medium is WhatsApp. Almost 70% of the traffic currently in social media comes from different dark social platforms or applications. So it's the traffic that websites receive or content sharing through private channel as instant messaging by using application or email. The term the dark social was coined by Alexis C. Madrigal, a senior editor at the Atlantic in 2012, in an article. According to Madrigal, data from the web analytics firm Chartbeat revealed 56.5% of the Atlantic's social traffic was from dark referrals. When Chartbeats analyzed a broader set of websites, that statistic rose to almost 69%, like a term search content management. And that term help them to understand what dark social is doing for them. This form of traffic labeled direct traffic in Google Analytics. When you go to Google Analytics, you will see from which website you have received traffic. And for dark social, all the traffic you would be getting from WhatsApp or other applications where you have shared your link. People have clicked on that, they have come to your website. Google will label that as direct traffic. Dark social has been reported to be responsible for 84% of outbound sharing in Hootsuite. Hootsuite is a platform which we use to post social content in many different social pages at one time. You just need to post content in one place. They will spread the content in many pages. If you have more than one, more than 10 or many number of social pages. So here Hootsuite have analyzed 84% of traffic that different websites receive as from different dark social platforms. Now let's see one video that very nicely explain what is dark social.
Dark social, a phrase quickly gaining momentum in the industry, is marketing's little-known secret of previously untrackable ROI. In layman's terms, much like a family tree, your ads essentially become parents to many generations of engagements and conversions that may go unnoticed. For example, let's say a user named Mike sees your product ad and clicks through to your website. Mike knows his buddy Shannon would love it too, so he emails her the link. Shannon, in turn, posts it to her Facebook page where others copy the URL and share as well. While most companies can track Mike's first-generation activity and tie it to your campaign, how Shannon and anyone who saw Shannon's post engages with your content is overwhelmingly unaccounted for, and this is multi-generational dark social. In other words, first-generation activity refers to all the clicks, page views, conversions, and revenue earned from the audience that is directly exposed to your original ad, while multi-generational activity consists of downstream engagement from audiences that were not directly exposed to a brand's original post. It's only when a user copies a web link and pastes it into another channel, such as an email, instant message, or social post, that dark social begins and all the multi-gen activity that goes with it. Vastly underattributed by brands, dark social activity can account for as much as 70% of sharing and engagement. So how can marketers bring dark social to light? Unified dark social measurement gives brands insight into all generations of activity, so they can accurately assign success to their campaigns. One such brand was Anne Michelle Fan, who sought to more accurately connect key marketing initiatives to both awareness and revenue. To accomplish this, marketers worked with Unified to track dark social activity across many channels, including Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and more. The results were eye-opening.
So as you have just now saw, dark social can be amazing and great for your brand. If you can connect through dark social to many number of people, it can definitely increase your business in a amazing way. And all these would be discussed in the digital marketing course of NTTF. Dark social platforms, which you can take them as a dark platform, are these like WhatsApp, Messenger, Snapchat, Skype, Telegram, BBM, Line, Viber, Hangout, Google, Allo, and many other places. Even you can give advertisement to Skype using Bing ads. That also we will discuss in our digital marketing course. Social media marketing tools. These are different social media marketing tools, very well known and also is being used by we ourselves also we use different social media tools from these places. IFTTT is a great place which is being adopted by Google Home for automation of activities. You can provide a command to IFTTT. I want an update when there is a rainfall in Bangalore. They will provide you an update to your mobile phone immediately when there is a rainfall. So in that way, you can use these amazing tools to increase your own presence, increase your brand's presence, and bring more loyal customers. Here you can see this is a look how the Canva can be used for creating innovative, beautiful, and creative images where they have ready-made format for different platform and well-designed, pre-designed templates. You can use them to create nice images for your own business or your different advertisement campaigns as well. Here we will understand programmatic. Programmatic is an advertisement methodology where Google connects to different advertisement servers or ad servers. Ad server has the data, which customer, which person, which user account likes what or uses or connects to which content more, and how these contents are or these advertisements are then delivered to those people. That we will explain through this programmatic advertisement. Programmatic industry is a very large industry. Almost more than $100 billion investment or advertisement goes through programmatic ads across the world. And if you work in a programmatic as a programmatic ad manager, your salary can be easily beyond 15 lakh, 20 lakh.
So, the media agency sends the creative to the technical people at the ad serving company, and they send back the creative tags. These tags are essentially links that will instruct the media owner ad server to get the ads from the media agency ad server. These tags and a trafficking sheet, which provides the scheduling criteria of the booking, are sent to the media owner. The media owner then sends these creative tags along with the trafficking sheet to their technical people, who then lock the tags into their ad server. Everything is now set up ready for the campaign to start.
In this way, the ad server connects to a data server where the data is about the knowledge of with the knowledge of the users interaction with the different content, and then the advertisement is rendered. Now let's see what are the certifications you can do to enter into industry in different roles. Starting with NTTF's own certification in digital marketing, SEO, and social media with digital analysis and many other areas. We'll move on to Google certification. Google has different line of certification in shopping, image advertisement, video advertisement, and Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager certification. Moving on to Facebook certifications. Facebook has a blueprint, Facebook blueprint certification, Bing certification. We always use Google search in India most commonly, but I think you don't know, or maybe you might know also. In USA, the usage of Bing search is as high as 33% of total search engine usage. Google have a 65 to 67% market share in USA. So when you are working with a US client, when you are giving advertisement in USA, which spends the maximum amount of money in digital advertisement, Bing is a massive tool for advertisement in USA. And everything about Bing advertisement you learn with us at NTTF. HubSpot certifications. HubSpot is one of the biggest CRM platform in the world, and you does a lot of activities through HubSpot in digital marketing. And they also provide you different certifications that help you enter into industry in good positions or good roles. Adobe Analytics certification. I have worked on many projects which has Adobe Analytics installed, and Adobe Analytics have different areas or different type of roles, starting from implementation, management to customization of the analytical tool for different companies. Generally, larger organizations adopt to Adobe tools, and when if you are Adobe Analytics certified, you can take yourself to be one of the exclusive people of the world who are very rare to find. And if you have that all the certifications with you, it is a guarantee for you for a great and a rewarding career. Join us, come to NTTF and know more about the opportunities available in digital marketing, search optimization, paid advertisement, and gain or trap the opportunity that is available currently across the world. Today's world is of digital. If you connect to digital, stay in digital, you will always have a brighter and happy future. That much I can say. And thank you very much for joining us. It's not about just the idea, it's about the making idea happen. Let's make the idea come true for you. Let's make this discussion come true for you. Let's have a positive and a bright future. Wish everyone a very good career. Come NTTF, talk to us for your further journey in digital marketing education. Thank you. Sujit, you can take.
Thank you so much, Mr. Omkarnath Nandi, for taking us through the session. And I would request all the participants, if you have any queries, such that you can put it on the chat box or you can unmute yourself and you can ask. Request to all to please ask any queries if you have in place. That will be addressed. Yeah. Hi, Abhijit. Would you like to ask any questions?
Hello, good morning, sir.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Manjunath, we will come back to you with the exact duration of the course. We have already formulated the course, so we just are about to finalize the duration. So we'll come back to you, Manjunath. Yes, the brief job in digital marketing is managing the search optimization to social media marketing to paid advertisement, managing the content marketing, managing the entire digital marketing activities, starting from giving an ad, creating a creative, running the paid advertisement campaign, to generating leads and then generating conversion. So this is the entire spectrum of the digital marketing activities. You can either work on the entire activity on some years of experience, or you can work on different aspects of it also on while starting or with few years of experience.
Omkar, there is a question. I am a civil engineer of 4 years experience, now willing to start up as entrepreneur. I need my construction company to digital marketing. Can you answer that?
Yeah, you can definitely start with digital marketing, and with your current experience, it is a very nice stage to move to digital marketing or digital marketing's different areas. As I already told you, we have analytical component, analytical segment as well. So they used to generate huge amount of data. Managing that is a huge activity, and you can come join us to learn how you can be a part of different great companies, different areas of digital marketing.
Mr. Manjunath, is it clear for you or you have some more clarifications?
Yes, good morning. I'm Manjunath.
Hello, Manjunath.
Yes, sir. Regarding only, I wanted to get into digital marketing as I want to promote my company. So, regarding that, what's the duration of the course and how come I can do that?
Exact duration will come back to you. We've already formulated the course, and with the exact duration, we'll come back to you.
Approximately, Omkar, can you tell the approximate time duration? 3 months.
Yeah, it would
3
be
months, hours or in hours, something like. So you get some idea.
It would be generally a 3-month course.
3 months course. Yes, Mr. Manjunath, it will be around a 3 months course. We can work out either we can come in weekend or weekdays, however you feel like to come.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So basically, where are you? Where are you from?
Right now, I am in I'm abroad now. Now I'm waiting for the flights. Due to COVID-19, not possible to come.
I think Omkar, can we have it through online also? Possible?
Yes, we can have it through online also, and
Yes.
you can do with us through online course also.
Yes, Mr. Manjunath, it's also possible through we can have it through online also, because face to face it takes some more time. Now you'll come back from foreign and you'll be in quarantine and all this will be there. So there's a possibility of to take the course in online also. This for your information.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks for joining, Mr. Manjunath. Thanks for your
Okay,
question
thank you.
also.
So yes, there
Others
is
have any question, just you can post it and you can ask the digital marketing expert, Mr. Omkar. No, he was the guest lecturer and he presented at IIM Calcutta at a very higher level. So we can utilize his expertise to get more about digital marketing. So I encourage you people to ask questions to get his utilize his knowledge and get his ideas. He is a very long time in digital marketing.
So I can see there is one more question from
Yeah.
Avijit Kumar. So how to start this digital market course to make our future in this sector? So please, Mr. Omkar Nandi, if you can address that.
You can start the course with us. We'll be starting the course in probably two format. Currently, we are starting the online course. So you can immediately join as the course starts. The course will take you through the entire journey and the areas that are in digital marketing. And through that, you will show you how you can join in different industries and how you can connect to different company for their own requirement and in different sectors how you can what are the different digital marketing role is being used is will also be explained to you in the course. Mr. Jayakumar sir would be able to give you more in-depth idea about the course. You will get a call from us and we'll explain you in detail about the course and exact time and date when we are starting.
And so when it comes to the course duration and the fee structure and everything, the content that we have in place. So yes, very soon we'll be starting the course on digital marketing also. It will be a kind of online. So basically we provide a kind of blended learning model where it is both online and offline. So basically we have done a lot of other courses in various other technologies like cybersecurity, IoT, machine learning, Industry 4.0. So we have been doing that one also. So yes, when it comes to digital marketing, very soon we'll be starting on that, and definitely we'll go ahead and we will address all you people when we'll be starting with all the course duration, the fee structure, and the content. We will be sharing with you. So thank you so much, everyone, for joining this webinar session, and thank you so much, Mr. Omkar Nandi, for taking us through this webinar session and sharing all the valuable to all the participants.
So we will share you the link to join our course and we can know more about our course offerings on digital marketing. And Mr. Sujit will share you the link about all the courses.
Yes, and
And
by the time we will request all the participants to also visit our website. So that's nttftrg.com. So where you can see what exactly we are into, what NTTF is doing when it comes to other various other technologies, and how we have been training all the participants and everything. Which we would request everyone to also visit our campus. The things you can see our infrastructure, and yes, after that we can take your time and we can start the courses. Thank you so much for joining again.